Hi kids, how are you all? I hope you are fine and fit.
Better remember your books.
Now, beta, today we will learn about composition and punctuation. Let's talk about composition. Beta, do you know what is a composition? See, a composition means to put together. It is the way we assemble words and sentences to create meaningful work. Composition can also mean the activity of writing. Now, beta, I will tell you how to write a story composition. We can write a good story by following these steps. See, number one, see the title of the story. Number two, create your characters. Number three, name your characters. Number four, describe your characters. Number five, tell about a problem. Number six, solve the problem. Number seven, end your story with a lesson. Remember to make small sentences to describe every simple situation. Better to be more prepared for starting to write your composition, you need to answer the 5 W's. 5 W's mean who, where, when, what, why. And one H. One H mean how. Okay, see the questions. Number one, who is the main character of your story? Number two, where do the events take place? Number three, when does it happen? Number four, what happened? Number five, why did it happen? Number six, how was everything solved? Okay, beta, this is your mind map. Let's see a common composition structure. When writing a composition, it is essential to know its main parts. A typical composition in the English language consists of the heading, title, introduction, main body, and conclusion. Okay, bache, these are the helpful tips for writing a composition. See, number one, your writing should be easy to understand. Number two, don't use the words if you are not sure about their meanings. Number three, keep your sentences short and not difficult. Number four, take care to do a clear and consistent point of view. Number five, revise your story once it is completed. Beta, this is sample composition. See how it is written. My topic is my pet animal. I have a pet animal. My pet animal is a cat. Her name is Kitty. She is big with white and brown in color. She has a long tail. She has four kittens. They all are very cute. All of them are white in color. Fish is her favorite food. I give her milk every day. She can climb the trees. She likes to play in my bed. I like to play with my kitty. I love her very much. Now let us learn about punctuations. Okay, beta, this is a mind map of punctuation. Do you know what is a punctuation? Punctuation is the name for marks used in writing. They help us to understand and do correct reading. These are some common punctuation marks used in English. Full stop, comma, question mark, exclamation mark, apostrophe, and quotation mark. Now, beta, uses of punctuation marks. Number one, full stop. A full stop is used to end a sentence. Example, he is a good boy. Comma. A comma has many uses. Some of these are shown below. To separate things in a list like cows, comma, horses, comma, sheep and goat. Question mark. Question marks are used when we are writing a question or to ask something. For example, Sarah, have you done your homework? Why is the sky blue? Now, exclamation mark. An exclamation mark is used to write about a strong emotion. For example, Robin, come here. You did a good job. Apostrophe. An apostrophe has two main uses. An apostrophe can be used to show that something belongs to someone else. For example, it was the boy's dog. We will go in Tom's car. An apostrophe can be used to put two small words together. Two small words that are put together with an apostrophe to make one word are called constructions. For example, cannot can be made into the word can't. Now quotation marks. Quotation marks are used around the words that people have said. They are used in pairs. For example, Tom said, Mary, please wash the dishes. Today, said our teacher, is the first day of your school year. Okay, so now we will end our lesson. Beta, there is no homework because this is your revision lesson. Hope to see you soon. Stay safe and protect yourself from COVID by wearing mask and using hand sanitizers. Okay, beta. Allah Hafiz.